Welcome to 826 LA's online workshops. My name is Michael Reyes, and I'll be leading you through writing for plants. First, we'll play a little guessing game. Then we'll learn about the responsibilities of a botanist, also known as a plant scientist or plant biologist. Then we'll create a botanist observation chart and a plant description. I'll show you some examples of each when we get to that point of the workshop. In case you're wondering, this is me. I'm happy to have you here. This is also me when I'm feeling silly, or me when I'm extremely surprised, or me when I'm pretending to do work, but I know that's not you. And then me celebrating you for being here today. Okay, I think we're ready to get started. If at any point you need to step away, press the pause button. You can then come back and pick up where you left off. Okay, now let's get started. Here are a list of materials that you will need. A pen or pencil, markers or colored pencils, if you have them. These are not required. You can still participate in this workshop if you don't have any at the moment. And 2 sheets of paper. If you don't have paper at the moment, you can use a Word or Google document on your computer. Or maybe get creative and find any other alternative for paper. If you have a little sibling, maybe use their belly. I'm sure they won't mind. Or if you have a cat, I think their belly will be just fine too. Press pause now so you can go and grab your materials. I'll be here. If you're all ready, then let's continue on to the next section. Guess the plant's nickname. In this section, I'm going to show you an image of a few plants. Each plant has a nickname that is based on their characteristics or behaviors. In other words, how they look or how they act. I'll show you the image, wait 10 seconds, then reveal the nickname for you, and then go on to the next image. If you need more than 10 seconds to imagine what the nickname could be, then go ahead and press pause. Then press play whenever you're ready. Okay, here we go. Guess the nickname of this plant. 10 seconds begins now. Okay, here it is. The baseball plant, because of its shape and interesting stitch-like texture. Okay, guess the nickname of this plant. 10 seconds beginning now. Okay, here it is. The fly trap, because as soon as an insect lands in that little pink mouth, it clamps down. Okay, next one. Guess the nickname of this plant. 10 seconds beginning now. Okay, this one's nickname is the shy plant, because when something gets near or touches it, it folds its leaves inward. Okay, guess the nickname of this plant. 10 seconds begins now. Okay, this one is the medicine plant, or aloe vera, because of its healing properties. If you ever get a sunburn, get you one of these. Okay, next one. 10 seconds, beginning now. Okay, this one here is elephant ears. I think you can see why, right? Okay, 3 more. Guess the nickname of this one. Okay, this one here is the Christmas cactus. I have one of these. A good friend and former 826 LA volunteer, Renee, gave this to me. Before the flowers bloom, they look like little Christmas lights. Do you see that at the edges? Okay, this next one is fun. 10 seconds beginning now. Okay, this one is the ponytail palm. Do you see the ponytail? Okay, last one. Guess the nickname of this one. Okay, this one is the snake plant because of its shape, pattern, and color. Very nice. Thank you for sticking with it. Let's move into the next section, which is learning and practicing botany. But first, what is a botanist? A botanist studies plants and their environments and records their observations in order to, number one, preserve plants that are going extinct. 2, understand how plants can be used for medicine. 3, understand how the environment impacts plants and the responses, and so much more. Okay, now it's your turn to be a botanist. I want you to search your home for a plant or flower. If you don't have either, then select an interesting object and imagine that it's a plant or flower. Maybe a TV or computer, a puppy, or grandma can all make for good make-believe plants. Be sure not to harm whatever it is that you choose, but before you get up to find a plant, let me show you what you will be doing with this plant. You will fold one of your 2 papers into 6 panels like this. In each panel, you will include the following: your botanist name, either your real or imagined one, and the date of your observation, either today's date or some bizarre date that you make up. In the second panel, a sketch of the plant that you have chosen. There you can see my sketch of a plant, which was given to me by a good friend named Claribel. In the third panel, a list of the plant's features, such as their color, shape, size, and so on. In the fourth panel, a list of the plant's habitat, where the plant lives and the plant's surroundings. In the fifth panel, the plant's new name. So give the plant a name based on the plant's characteristics, behaviors, or surroundings. And in the sixth panel, include a list describing what the plant can be used for or what the plant's powers are. Press pause now to give yourself some time to go find a plant and to get started on your observation chart. Or continue watching and complete the tasks after the video is done. Okay, now you've found a plant and created an awesome observation chart. Next, I want you to write a plant biography. A biography is a short description about the plant written from the point of view of the plant. Here's an example that I wrote. Hello, my name is Octo Pink Green Beans Cactus. My tentacles are long and sticky, so I don't have to get up to get the remote control or a bowl of cereal. Yep, I enjoy cereal. I live in California. I like the cool breeze, and so does my long branch that sticks out of my head. But we prefer the desert and lots of sun. I'm a small plant, but one day I'll be bigger than the whole state of California. Okay, now it's your turn. Write a biography for your plant. Okay, botanists, my time here is done. I think you know what to do. Go back and rewatch any section that you missed, or do this workshop again, but this time invite a friend. Take good care of yourselves, your plants, and please make sure to recycle. I'm Michael. See you next time.